Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two 3-channel dash cams that offer all-round protection for your vehicle. On the left side of the screen, we have the Vantrue N4, and on the right side, we have the Galphi M2. Now let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best for you. When it comes to video quality, both the Vantrue N4 and Galphi M2 offer impressive performance. The Vantrue N4 boasts a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, while the Galphi M2 offers a smooth 1080p front video and 720p cabin and rear videos. So if you're looking for crystal clear footage, the Vantrue N4 takes the lead here. Now let's talk about interior recording. Both dash cams come with an inside camera to capture what's happening inside your vehicle. The Vantrue N4 offers a 165 degrees inside camera, while the Galphi M2 provides a 160 degrees cabin inside camera. So whether you're an Uber or Lyft driver needing proof of activities or just want to keep an eye on your passengers, both cameras have got you covered. Driving at night? No problem. Both the Vantrue N4 and Galphi M2 feature excellent night vision capabilities. The Vantrue N4 comes equipped with infrared lights, ensuring clear footage even in complete darkness. The Galphi M2, on the other hand, offers a wide dynamic range and 4 IR lights to accurately capture the driver and passengers. So no matter which camera you choose, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your dash cam has your back in any lighting condition. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 offers a 24-hour parking mode that continuously records and decreases the video quality to maximize recording quantity. It also has motion and collision detection to automatically start recording when triggered. The Galphi M2, on the other hand, has a parking monitor that automatically powers on and records when a collision is detected. Both cameras offer great parking mode features, so it's a tie in this category. Last but not least, let's discuss warranty and support. The Vantrue N4 comes with an extendable 18-month warranty, 24-hour customer support, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The Galphi M2 offers a 1-year warranty and 24-hour technical support. So, both cameras provide reliable after-sales service, ensuring you're well taken care of. Both cameras offer great features, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. And that concludes our comparison between the Vantrue N4 and the Galphi M2. Both cameras offer great features, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you're looking for top-notch video quality and extensive recording capabilities, the Vantrue N4 is the way to go. However, if you're on a tighter budget and still want reliable performance, the Galphi M2 is a fantastic option. Remember, always choose the dash cam that suits your needs best. We hope this video has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.